Hello everybody, this is Kyle Versport from the BT BOCES Plick team, and today we're going to take a look at Immersive Reader. Immersive Reader is an extension you can add to Chrome, and your students can add it as well. You can use it, or students can use it to translate text on websites. Um, and within the translation, it gives you a lot more options than maybe a Google Translate would. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Chrome Web Store and search up Immersive Reader, and it's going to be the first one that popped up. It's got 1 million users, 4.2 stars. Mine says remove from Chrome, but you will add it. I already have it. That's why it says remove. And then you're going to find some text somewhere on the internet you want to translate. So I had this mathematics tab open already on Wikipedia. So I'm going to use that one. So whatever text you want to translate or get a little closer reading on, you can highlight, and then you right click with a mouse. If you don't have a mouse and you're on a Chromebook like students, you tap with 2 fingers, and then you'll select help me read this, and hopefully you can see those options. It brings you into Immersive Reader. If you scroll, you can see everything. So it's just a different way to read. From here, basics, you can change the font size, whatever your preference is, especially the students on the tiny screens. You can increase or decrease the spacing. You got font selection, different color options, whatever's easiest on students' eyes. Those are the basics of Immersive Readers. You can click here. I'm not sure if you could hear that, but it's reading along. You can also click one word, and you can listen to the specific word. And it gives you, for some of the words, a little picture preview. So that's good for students who are totally clueless about what formula might be. Some other options, you can separate by syllables to help your students, and you can highlight nouns or verbs, specific parts of speech. And the last one is where you get your translation in. So translate, you could scroll a long list, and you can even see with Spanish they have different dialects. And then you can click here to translate the whole entire document, which Google Translate would do. But the nice thing here is this will read it to you in Spanish or the other language. You can still click to get specific words. And now, since I have 2 languages, it gives me both English and Spanish in this case. I could also go back to the original and click a word here, and I get, what shape could be, some image hints, and then also shapes read to me in English and shapes read to me in Spanish. So this is a great tool for anyone learning the language. It's got all sorts of supports here, and then especially when you're trying to do a language by language comparison. So when you're ready to go back to Wikipedia to read more about mathematics, you just hit your exit arrow. This extension works on all websites that have text. If the text is within an image, it doesn't work because it's reading it as an image file. And then if you're using like a Google Doc, when you highlight something and right click it, it won't give you the same options. So a little trick around that is to take your text out of Google Doc, and if you just put it into your Google search bar and then hit Control A to highlight it all, you can right click it here and get it. So just a little trick. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions, I guess in the comments below, or if you know me, just send me an email. Thank you. Have a good one.